Hey, okay, so we already cooked, got everything inside, about ready to eat. Um, my wife is cooking vegetables inside, and so I did the rice and the teriyaki chicken, and she's doing that inside. I just wanted to let you know what I'm doing. I cleaned off the griddle. See if I can do this looking at it this way. Anyway, I cleaned off the griddle and used some water, scooped it out, cleaned it out, put a little more water on it, and then took a towel, cleaned it off. Then right before I'm done, I put a thin layer of avocado oil across it. All right. Now let me emphasize thin, because I don't know if you can see it on here or not. There's a little ridges here, because when I first did this, you know, I saw a video of how to season it, and I put too much on it. And so since then, I've learned how to clean the griddle. Use steam to clean. I love that. I saw a video on that, and man, it works. It just works. Sometimes you have to really scrape hard on some stuff that gets caked on there, but rarely. I mean, the things that I cook, I rarely have to scrape hard. That steam cleans it, and it comes right off. So just wanted to keep that in mind. But then the oil that I put on, it's so light. I run a strip like down this way and back, and then what I do is I take my scraper, and I kind of move that oil around as much as I can just to kind of spread it. And then I'll show you here if I can. You know, I put my paper towel on there, and I just go back and forth like that. Just get a small one. Now usually I'm a little more organized than this, but I can't watch my video and do this at the same time, but my camera. But you know, I just back and forth like this to spread that out. And you know, once it gets on there, I take it off, and then I let it smoke. When we quit smoking, I'm not even adding any more on it. I just spread what's there out, because it kind of bubbles up, and then I spread that back out, and it starts smoking again. And so after I cook, I put that oil on there, so that if it's out here a while, if it gets moisture, it's not going to get rained on, but you know, humidity or whatever gets moisture in there, it's protected by the oil, so that the water doesn't cause the griddle to rust. If that makes sense. But anyway, that's how I do it. And I just wanted to give that tip to you. It's a thin layer of oil. Voice of experience. Just another tip from your Uncle Dennis. Okay. We're going to go inside, and we're going to eat some teriyaki chicken. My wife's not. She's going to eat some good chicken. She likes it, but I like the teriyaki. So anyway, we're going to go enjoy that, and I'll see you next time.